Before we start the video, I'd like to congratulate you on the upcoming holidays and New Year. Congratulations. Okay, let's move on to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to make this animation cycle, and it is super easy because you need to make only 3 frames. Okay, let me show you. Let's open the Flipaclip. Link to this app in the description. First of all, I'm going to draw the sketch. So I'll rename the layer. Now let's draw a Sonic. I'll start from drawing the head. So I'll use the ruler because I'm not good at drawing circles. And here we should draw the face. I'm using some guidelines to place the face on our circle. All right, now I'm gonna draw the Sonic's ears around of our circle. Also, let's draw the Sonic's hairs or spikes, spines, maybe, quills. I don't know what is that things like. Write me in the comments, guys. However, let's draw them. Okay, now let's draw his torso, hands and feet. All right, the first frame is ready. Now we need to copy this frame and just change it a little bit. I'm gonna give some squishing effect to the Sonic's feet. Let's add a new frame. Also, I'm going to make spinning effect by drawing these things. Nice. Now I'm going to add some movement to the Sonic's head, torso, and hairs. Drawing hands. I'm gonna add some details, but it is optional,
Line art.
I think that line art is the hardest part of animation, so you must to try to love this thing. To draw smooth line art, you can turn stabilizer of the brush to 50 or more. As you can see, I'm using copy pasting technique to save my time. I'm just redrawing some details that moving, you know. Now let's paint our Sonic the Hedgehog. All right, we did it. So I had draw only 3 frames, then I've copied a lot of this frames in Frame Viewer. Also, I've added eyes blinking, and I'm pretty glad with the result. Like and comments, did you like it? Okay, let's see the frames that we've made. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a nice day.